Hello friends, welcome to my another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. So friends, I hope you all are doing fine and thank you very much for your comments and supports. Well friend, today I received one parcel from Ludhiana, Punjab. See, it came from Ludhiana. This is one of my YouTube customer. So friends, we'll start unboxing this one and check what's inside. Okay, this is Rcf module, my friend. Wow, great packing. See, this is Rcf module for repair. This came from Punjab. Okay, this is Rcf module. So there are two, I think. Two. One is this. A great packing. Okay, see, there are two modules. Okay friend, so this is Rcf module. So there are two modules I received for repair. Okay, so just keep this aside. So guys, now we'll check step by step both. Okay friends, just keep watching my video. Today I have received one parcel. This is I received from Punjab. This is Rcf. See, this is Rcf model number 4. So actually the customer complained there's some burning smell. So I can smell some burning because the customer told me something burn came out from, some smoke come out from inside. So burning smell. So we'll just open this one. Oh my god, OMG, see, it is very badly burned. See friends, the circuit is badly burned also, and you can see the cover, the top. So it is very badly burned, my friend. So we need to check very carefully. It's good that I did not applied power, input power, because the customer initially told me that this is some burning smell he feels and some smoke comes out. So I thought better to not to apply power and first to dismantle what is inside to check on the circuit. So friends, this is the condition of this. This is the Rcf Pro 4, very badly burned. See, you can see. Anyway, we'll just clean this area first. So friends, we'll clean this first. See the condition, very badly, drag open everything. Oh my god. So we'll clean this first. See friends, so I clean this one, you can see now. So we'll check any shorting, my friend. This is the 5V regulator. This is not like that. See you guys, this I think here also this is showing IC showing shorting. See, there's a shorting, badly shorting is there. See, This two diode also showing shorting, this IC also showing shorting, see, and also there is a hole here in IC, there is a hole over here, see, it's burned badly. This is badly burned. So guys, we need to replace this IC also. This is the DSP IC, EDAU1701. This is the DSP IC. So we need to replace the IC also, my friend. So what we'll do, we'll just take it out this IC first, because it's showing shorting over here. This is the DSP main DSP IC. See, it is showing shorting. Remove this IC, then only we'll come to know. So we'll start preparing to remove this IC. You can see the hole. See, this is the one. See, it's badly burned. You can see now. This is the hole. So we need to replace this IC only. See guys, we have removed. This is the IC. So friends, we have already removed this DSP IC. This is the 48 pin IC. So now we'll just clean this area completely. Okay, so we'll try to, now we'll check is there any shorting is there or not. If there's any shorting, then we need to check some other part also. This is the DSP IC, AAUDU1701 is the IC number, 48 pin IC this is. So now we'll check, we'll just clean this area completely. Okay guys, just keep watching my video. We have already cleaned this one. It's perfect. So now we'll check the guys, already we have cleaned it very well. You can see. Okay. So friends, after removing this IC also, still supply line is showing some shorting. See, 3.4 ohm is showing. Okay, so I think we need to remove this MCU also, microcontroller IC also, this one. So we'll try to see, it is still showing some shorting, so we'll try to remove this also. See friends, we have already removed that main control IC also, MCU IC. So now, before it was showing some 3 ohms, but now it is reduced to some ohms. See, 125 ohms is there. So the shorting is removed out now. Before it was showing some 3 ohms. So guys, now what we'll do, we replace this 2 IC. Okay, so we replace this 2 IC with the new one. So just keep watching my video. So friends, after removing this IC, this MCU IC, this is the microcontroller IC. So after removing this IC, so now before it was showing some shorting, now there is no any shorting was there. Okay guys, because this is a supply line, supply capacitor. Before it was showing some 3-4 ohms like this, you know. So I'll keep it on the buzzer range. See, Now there is no shorting. Before it was showing some 3.45 ohms like that. See, now there is no shorting. So it means that this IC, MCU, microcontroller IC, and that this DSP IC also both having problem. This one. So what we'll do, we'll replace this two IC with the new one. Okay guys, I got the new IC with me. So we'll replace this two IC. So guys, I got the new IC with me. This is the new IC. Okay. So one is microcontroller IC. This is PIC16F689. This is the microcontroller IC. PIC16F689. And another one is DSP IC. That is ADAU1701. ADAU1701. This is the one. So now friends, we'll solder this here. Okay. This is the new IC. And we'll solder this here. So this two IC will solder. So friends, we have already soldered everything perfectly. Okay. This also okay. So we have replaced two parts in this. One is the DSP IC, that is ADAU1701, and another one is MCU microcontroller IC, PIC16F689. So we have replaced these two IC with the new one. So guys, we have already soldered. You can see. This IC and this IC. Okay. Friends, we'll now connect the speaker. We'll check it out finally. This is for highs. This is for mid. Okay, so now we'll put it on. We'll check, put it on, we'll check this one. So guys, we'll connect the power. Okay, we'll give the input. So we'll put it on. I put it on. So we'll put on this one. Power is on. See, light comes. See, light come here both. So guys. Okay guys. So guys, working fine. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. See you very soon in next video.